From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 20 of WAEC 2025 OBJ Math says, two ball bearings have volumes 1.6 cm3 and 5.4 cm3. Find the ratio of their surface area. Now, recall that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and the surface area is 4 pi r squared. We are told that the volume are 1.6 cm3 and 5.4 cm3. So the first thing you want to do is to find the ratio of their radii. And if volume 1 over volume 2, this is equal to 4/3 pi r1 cube over 4/3 pi r2 cube. We see that this can go with this, and so their individual volume is proportional to the cube of their radii. And so volume 1 is 1.6 over 5.4 is proportional to r1 over r2 or cube. From laws of indices, we can factorize the cube out. So we want to find the ratio of their radii. So if we take cube root of this, r1 over r2, take cube root of both sides, r1 over r2 will give us 2/3. And so this is the ratio of their radii. Likewise, to find the ratio of their surface area. Their surface area, let this be area of 1, which is 4 pi r squared, over area of 2, 4 pi, this is r1, r2 squared. And so their surface area is also proportionate to the square of their radii. And so area of 1 over area of 2 will give us, since the radii is 2/3, from laws of indices, this is r1 over r2 all square, and we have gotten the ratio as 2/3 here. So the ratio of the surface area will be 2/3 all square. This is 4/9, and in ratio form it is 4:9. That is A. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.